Hello everybody, in today's video I want to show you how you can install more models in your Ollama. So here I'm in Ollama, and if I open this window where you can check the models you can install, you'll probably see only the most popular ones. If you want to maybe install some different Qwen version or Gemma version, there is a way to do it, and we have to go to our browser and you want to look for Ollama Library, then open it from the official website. And here you can see the list of all of the models you can install. So firstly, what I would do is I would look for those tags. The purple tags are for some kind of category, and then the blue ones is going to show you like the parameters or the sizes of the models you can install. So for example, if I click on this DeepSeek, you can see that we have 1.5B, which stands for billion, and it is basically the size of the model. The larger number means a smarter model, but of course it's going to need more memory and also space on your computer. So as you can see here, this DeepSeek 671 billions has 400 gigabytes. So this is probably not something you are going to need, but I would stick maybe something with the middle, so this 8B or 7B, and you can test it. Then you can see the context next to the size. This basically means how much text it can handle at once, but in my case I want Qwen 3, so I'm gonna find Qwen 3. I'm gonna open this Qwen 3, and here let's say I can test this 1.7B. It has only 1.4 gigabytes, or maybe even better way is this 4B because it has more context. So what you can do, you can click on this icon to copy the name of the model. Now we can minimize this, and if you're on Mac, you want to go to Spotlight Search and you want to search for terminal. If you're on Windows, you want to simply go to CMD or command prompt. So I'm going to open terminal on my Mac, and the command is the same for Windows and Mac. So I'm going to type Ollama run, and I'm going to paste the name which I copied from the website or Ollama Library, enter, and it's going to now install this model. As you can see, 2.5 gigabytes. It's going to take approximately 4 minutes. So I'm gonna be back once this is installed. Now, as you can see, once this is installed, it's going to show you this send message. So you can start typing directly to this model in a terminal. And if you want to end this, what we can do, we can type slash and type bye. And now this is going to end this chat. We can close the terminal. We can go back to Ollama. And here we should be able to see our Qwen 3.4 billions model. So I can start using this here as well. And this is basically it. Now, in case if you would like to remove some models, you can go back to terminal. You can type firstly Ollama list. This is going to show you a list of all of the models you have installed. So here you can see this is the model I installed about a minute ago. Now, if I want to remove this, I can type Ollama rm, which is remove, and then we can type the name manually, or I can just simply copy it and paste it from here. Then press enter, and you can see it deleted the model. So if I type again Ollama list, you no longer can see the model, and it was removed from your computer. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.